soda. Remy boys that know fast money don't slow.
Hey beautiful sunshine gang, welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to try to do a cut crease with this beautiful eyeshadow palette that I got from AliExpress, and the details about it will be in the description box. And if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell. And this is the last video I will be doing for 2019. As y'all can see, I was trying to do a cut crease. So let me know how I did in the comment section below. Like, I'm trying to step my game up. And this is the palette that I use. Of course, I got a new palette. It's like a dupe for Huda Beauty. And I really like this palette, y'all. And I actually got this palette from AliExpress for $4.71. And I feel like it's like my first real palette because the eyeshadows, they have names. And one of the colors called Naked, Camel, Tangerine, Amber, Need Fire, and Tiramisu. That's the first row. And on the second one is called the Palace, Sunray, Summon, Byzantine, Twilight Lavender, and Magic. And the third row is Copper Rose, Sunrise, Party, Ruby, Roosevelt, and Chili. And I really tried to do a cut crease, y'all. I was really trying. Y'all can see that was my first time to try to do a cut crease. And as a matter of fact, I even used the eyeshadow, like the shimmers. I even used it as a lipstick. And the colors, like the transition colors that I use Tangerine and I use Amber for my crease colors. And the colors that I use to put on my eyelid, I use Roosevelt, and I use Twilight Lavender and Ruby to get this whole shimmer deal going on. And I also use Need Fire, like in the corner of my eyelids. Get y'all up close. But yeah, I'm so excited about this. This is like my first, and plus it was an early birthday gift, so I really like it. And not to mention that I reached my milestone. I have 100 subs now, so yeah, that is a great way to end the new year. It's a great way to end 2019 and going into 2020. So yeah, so happy new year, y'all. I hope y'all really like this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit the bell so you will know when I will be posting the videos. And I just want to say thank y'all so much for supporting me and for rocking with me. Like, I never thought that I would have made it this far, and I just started my channel 6 months ago, and I didn't think that I'd be reaching the milestone this fast. And I did not think that I would have this many supporters like I do now. Like, I didn't know that was gonna happen, so I am so grateful for that. And like I said, thank y'all. And I will see y'all next time.